So many people are there. May I know the country's name? Everyone, friend. Actually, from which country people are there? Like, if I know that, it's my pleasure only, right? Because of that, right? So many different countries people are joining the session, right? I know that you are from the Nigeria. Amrani, you are from, just you said, right? Germany, right?
Yes, sir.
Germany and others also there. Some anyone else? Okay, let it be. Switzerland. Asu, you are from Switzerland. Unmute yourself. Ashu, unmute yourself. Ashu, guys, our YouTube channel is there. Suraj just now shared, right? If anyone want, they can write. Okay, okay, it's okay. It's okay. Don't joke here, okay, Asu? We are already professional, okay? Here we are not open what joking classes. You are joking with me and others, right? This is the way to joke, huh? What you learn from the engineering, man? You completed engineering, right? And you are just putting the message. I'm joking, right? How you handle the client? Joking. It's okay. Just I'm asking. Some other countries people also there. The is saying that I'm looking like comedian. Eh? What man? Asu. Okay, let it be. Okay, so today we are going to start what? Today I'm going to start what is Spring Security, guys. Okay, Spring Security. First we know that, right? First we will understand how many way we can perform what is Spring Security. Security in our application. Before implementing in our application, I will develop one application, normal application without security, right? Without security, then we will implement what? Then we will implement what? Security, right? Security, and don't worry, each and everything step to step we will learn, guys. Yes, step to step we will learn, okay? But just let's give the serialization of how many way we can in memory, right? Just normal, if we are giving live testing environment, right? Just we are giving the application in the testing environment, but without database, without Ganesh. What are you doing? Okay, so without any, right? Just for the testing purpose, it that for that purpose Spring people is given what? Spring people is given what? In memory. Without database we can perform what is security operation, right? Security operation, just I'm giving what type of authentication. Authentication, right? Type of what? Authentication. Okay, don't worry, I will tell what is the authorization and what is the authentication. Till now discussion, when we will reach on that discussion, right? Also you are becoming too much intelligent, right? H2DB. What man? Just you are coming to test my knowledge. I just you are showing your talent here. Just a discussion is just started. I can guess your knowledge, man, based on your this what kiddiest behavior. This is called what? In my point of view, kid, right? Just you completed like I think engineering or something, BSc, BCA, anything. Graduation you I think completed, but still maturity is not there, man. Please become mature little bit, okay? Otherwise, in interview, if you give in the good company interview, right? They will test your what? mental status also, okay? Mental status also they will check. If you are not good with your mental, okay, leave the meeting. Okay, type of authentication. Type of what? Authentication. Okay, type of authentication. First, what we will do now? Just today we will see that based on this one only next operation we will perform, guys, right? What first in memory, right? In memory. In memory authentication. In memory authentication. Second one is what? JDBC authentication. JDBC authentication. Other one is what? User authentication. User authentication, right? Authentication. Based on this one, right? Another OAuth 2 is there. OAuth 2. When I will explain what is that in the OAuth 2 discussion will be there in what? Will be there in what? Spring Boot microservices, guys. Okay, na? Just here we will learn what these three implementation and even JDBC authentication also I will not give. Just what is that today we will learn what? Today we will learn what? In memory authentication. After then what is that? User authentication using what? Spring ORM framework, right? Spring ORM framework, right? Here we will not waste our time because this is not useful for us. Okay, na? If need separate session one day we will take. But if I give these two both, right? You people can able to work on this one also, right? This one also, because here we will create one more project JDBC. Based on that, what our application will interact with what? Database, right? Database using what? JDBC, Spring JDBC. There we will check authentication of what? End user, right? There we will check what? Authentication of what? End user, right? So now today we are going to discuss about what? Today we are going to discuss about what? In memory authentication. And what is the use of in memory authentication, right? Before what is that? To going what? Our application in what? Yes, we can so that we can implement it, no problem, right? No problem, but we have need to take what? More lengthy code we have need to write it. Okay, so already we will learn, right? We have need to learn what is Spring Boot microservices. There we will implement it, those things. Okay, na? Those things what to we will implement, right? We will implement in what? Spring Boot microservices. Okay, so now what is that? What is that? In memory user data security, right? Application. So how it will work, guys? Okay, na? How it will work? Like just I'm giving what diagrammatically approach. First see the things, okay, first see the things carefully, right? So just think about that our application is there, right? Our application is there. Just what is that think about that this is what our application is there, right? Without security, what we are doing now, end user making the request and what is that, taking the response. But what will happen? Just think about that our Facebook page is there, right? Here only in the Facebook page only I will clarify. Akash. Okay. So just like what is that? Just I'm giving opening my Facebook, right? Because I need it. I need it, guys, to explain what is that Spring Security. I have need to compare every time, guys. Okay, please give the time. Okay, until unless if I'm not able to open. Okay. So now, what is that? Just what I'm going to do now, guys. This is the page, right? This is the page. Just I'm going to give what clarity about what authentication, right? Authentication. See, what is the meaning of what authentication, guys? Like here I'm giving what is that username, right? Username and a password. Password also I forget about my Facebook because I'm not able to. 1 minute. I forget my Facebook password, guys. I think 1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Fine. Yeah, I'm logging out, right? I'm logging out again. Again, I'm logging out, right? My Facebook. Okay. So here, what happening, guys? Here, just I'm giving what username and what is that password, right? Password, password. Like 1 minute. Okay, whenever I'm clicking on the login button, what happened, right? It's going to suddenly database and it's checking that this username and password is correct or not. This is nothing but what authentication. This is nothing but what authentication, guys, right? Authentication. What is that? I'm putting the right. I'm putting what? I'm putting here what username and here what is that password. After then I'm clicking that. It's directly going to database. What is that? Facebook database server, right? Facebook database, right? Facebook database, and there it's checking that if this username and password is correct or not. This is nothing but what, guys? This is nothing but what? Authentication. After then what will happen? Home page is coming, right? This home page is coming now, right? This home page is coming. So this home page, after logging that, this home page is opening, right? For me only. This page is for me. If another person is there, for that person that page is different, right? That page based on their profile, that page is there, right? So what is that? Means this is the authorization. This is nothing but, guys, this is the after logging that uh, login credential username and password is nothing but what authentication. And what is that after logging that it's checking that okay, this username and password is correct. After then whatever pages is looking like, right? Those is nothing but what is that, guys? Authorization, right? Authentication and authorization means what, guys? Just if I'm writing something, right? I think if I'm writing here authorization means what? Based on the role, right? What is the role? based on the role we can perform what is that authorization, right? I have, right, I am what user of this account, right? I am what user of this account. So if I want to post anything, if I want to post anything in my Facebook, right? So here what I will post it, after posting that, whatever my friend in the friend list, whatever friend is there, they can see that what is that, whatever things I'm posting or not, whatever things. But what is that, this authority is given to whom? This authority is given to whom? Only Ravikant Radheshyam Tripathi, means my, this is the my account, right? In my account, me only can share anything, right? Me only can share anything. But after, then what is that, next what is that? But if my friend want, what if my friend want to share, right, to share, right, share anything in my account, because he don't have that, what is that, authentication, my account authentication don't have my friend, right? So my friend can't share anything inside my account, right, inside my account. That, so based on that, what is that, his role is what, to seeing the things, right? Don't worry, I will give much clarity. I will give, whenever I will develop the application, at that time I will give much clarity, okay? But just understand here, what is the authentication and what is the authorization. Authorization means, authentication means what, checking the username and password, it's correct or not, based in the database, this username and password is there or not. Based on that, there we will specify, based on this rule, right, based on that user, we will specify what, we will specify what, which page can be accessed, this fellow, means this person, this employee, right, this employee. Think about that, guys. Just in the company only, right, in the company only. So in the company, manager role is there, and what is that, manager role is there, and what, um like employee role is there, right? Manager role and responsibility is different, right? Whenever he will logging our own account, like our own account, he can give the, right, he can mail to all employee, he can, what is that, he can schedule the meeting, he can so many extra curriculum is there, right? Those things he can do, right? But employee can, right, just think about that. If employee is logging with the same account, right, if employee roles, based on the role, what is that, we can give the what, access permission, which what things employee can access, right? This is nothing but, what is that, guys, authorization. Okay, now, so let's move on. Okay, let's move on, and we will see that, we will see the things as what practically, guys, right? We will see the things as what, practically. But what is that, before our application, think about that, is suddenly we don't want, before sending, before using our application, I need to implement what, security concept in what, our application, security concept in what, our application. So I'm going to implement today, guys. I'm going to implement today what, in memory authentication, right? In memory authentication. So for that, what is that, so for that, what we will do now, guys, what we will do now. So think about that, this is the login page. We will give the what, login page. This is the login page, okay na? Inside this login page, in memory authentication, I'm going to give what, today, tomorrow we will implement, what is that, Spring ORM, right? Spring, using Spring ORM, what is that, authentication and authorization. And last application, whatever we completed in Spring MVC, guys, please watch once, right, that video, and implement in the project. I'm going to implement those things in that application only. I hope whoever continuing this session, right, from initial day onward, I hope the people is completing that project, right? Can I expect everyone, guys? Can I expect everyone? Okay, Tarvin, no problem. Okay, na, no problem. I will, because here only just extra concept. I will add in that last project. Okay, last project I will add some extra concept. Don't worry. Okay, now you will understand the things, but um, do the practical on that, right? Because already I developed one application in that I want to implement, and this is the last module of what our Spring, right? Spring. So I want to make that application one small project, totally complete small mini project, right? Don't worry, you will understand. I know that, okay, na? Because based on my explanation, definitely you will understand. Okay, na? So think about that. What is that? Think about that. Think about that. This is the login, right? Logging page. This is what logging page. Inside this logging page, we will give what end user by default Spring. Whenever we will add what is that dependency, right? This logging form will come by default. Okay, by default. What is that? Username, and what is that? Another box is what? Another box is what, guys? Password, right? Another box is what? Password. And here what is that? One button is there. Here what is that? One button is there. Login button is there, right? Yeah. So whenever we will put inside that, right? Whenever we will put inside that, what is that? Username and what? Password, right? Username and password. So what will happen? So Spring people given what? One to implement what? Implement what? Spring security in memory. In memory, for that, web security configurer adapter. One abstract class is given, right? Spring people. Based on that, we will perform what? Based on that, we will perform what? Spring security, right? Spring security in memory, right? So think about that. This is the Spring people is given. Spring org dot Spring framework, right? Spring framework, right? So now fine. So here what will happen now, guys? What will happen now? So that abstract class, Spring people is given what? Using that abstract class, what is that? You have to perform what? Authentication and what? Authorization. So much things is there, guys, today to clear it, right? Based on that, today discussion, rest discussion is there. If you practice on this application, right? If you practice on this application, other things will become what? Easy. Other things will become database. All those things will become what? Too much easy, guys. Okay. So, and don't worry, practical will be what? Too much easy. I will make the practical, everyone will be understand. And this application I'm going to develop what? Totally scratch level. Totally scratch level. Okay, tomorrow database operation, whenever we will perform what? Spring ORM, then I will use what? Last application. But here just understand what is that. Beginning is what? I know that beginning is always hard, guys. Okay, and I'm trying to what? Make this Spring security too much easy. Okay, na? So now what is that? Web security configurer adapter, right? Adapter. This is what? This is the class name, right? This is what, guys? This is the class name, right? Based on that, in this class, right, two methods are there, right? In this class, what is that? Two method is there, guys. Okay, na? In this class, what is that? Two method is there. Based on that two method, what we will perform, right? We will perform what is that? We will perform what is that? Spring security, right? Spring in memory security. That class name is what, guys? Sorry, that method name is what? That method name is what, guys? Configuration. Configure, right? Configure. This argument in that, what is that? This is the return type. Void. Here, what is that? Argument is what? Authentication. Authentication manager builder. Authentication manager builder. Okay. So one. And here what is that? HTTP security. HTTP security. These two methods are there, right? These two methods are there. Based on these two methods, what we will do now? Here, this method will specify what is that in memory, right? This method will specify what is that in memory. In memory means whenever we will run our application, temporary, right? Temporary. What is that username and password will be create, right? To username and what is that password based on that role, right? So think about that. This is what is that RAM. Inside that RAM, guys, right? Inside that RAM, right? Inside that RAM. So just think about that. I'm taking what some people name here in the meeting only, right? In the meeting only, right? In the meeting only. So what is that? So think about that. What is that username circle is there? Username and what is that password is there, right? Username and what password is there. And last one is a role. Based on that role, which access permission, based on that role only we will give what access permission, which page will access what this employee admin, right? Admin. Just think about that. Just think about that. I'm taking what is that? I'm taking what is that? This is the this is what this is what, guys? Okay, this is what username, right? User. Just think about that. This user, right? This user. Okay. So this user and what is that password? Password. And what is that? This section is what? Role section. Role section, right? Role section. Okay. So now role section. Okay, this method will perform this operation, guys. Okay, the role section. Okay, so role section. Inside that role section, just I'm giving what is that username, password. We will specify here. What is that? So what is that? I'm taking some name in the meeting. Okay, Anup Patara. Okay, let's take. Okay, so just I'm think about that. ANUP Anup. What is that? Anup. What is that? One Anup is there. Anup, right? Anup and password also I'm taking what? Anup only. Anup only, right? Anup, just think about that. Anup is what employee of one company, right? Employee, right? I'm giving what is that role is employee. Employee, right? Employee. Okay, so fine now. So okay, let's take another person also, right? What is that? Anup, another one, another. Okay, my favorite person from the US. Okay, Padma. Okay, so okay now see. Okay, see the Padma, right? Padma. Okay, so Padma, Padma, right? One more person is there, right? One more person is there. What? Padma. Okay. So now, okay, Padma is there. Padma. So Padma is what? Think about that. Ki admin person in the company. What is that? The admin person, right? Padma is what? Admin, right? Admin. You. Oh, sorry. Password also Padma only. Padma, right? So I'm giving what? He's the his like his authority is in the company. What is that? Admin. Admin, right? Admin and another one more person I'm taking, right? One more person, okay? One more person who's Suraj. Okay. So Suraj, right? Suraj, okay. I'm giving what? Suraj name. Suraj. User is what? Suraj, right? Suraj. Okay. Password also Suraj only, right? Password also Suraj. Just I'm giving what? Is the permission of what? Student. Student, right? He is a student. Okay, three. What is that? Three person, three username and password I taking, and I given what is that? A different role. Three person are there and three different role is there. So think about that. One project is there. In that project, what is that? We given three roles. Okay, na? So based on that, if what is that? If Suraj is opening, right? Suraj can open what is that? Student page only. He can't open, right? Suraj cannot open what is that admin page. If Suraj try to open what is that try to open what is that admin page, so he will get what is that access permission or denied page, right? We will write the logic, don't worry, we will write the logic, but just here what is that we are preparing what is that background, guys. Okay, we are preparing what background. Okay, so now, but admin, I will give what admin, right? I will give the admin permission, right? Admin can access what is that, admin can access what is that student page. Yeah, admin can access what is that, admin can access, but admin can what access what is that student page. And employee, if employee cannot access what is that admin page, and admin cannot access what is that employee page. Okay, based on that, what is that we will specify what is that this username and password means this authentication will authorize for what only employee page, right? This what is that Anup, right? Anup is what authenticated person, and what is that we are given to authorization just only access what employee page, right? Just can Anup can access what employee page. Okay, so same like guys, what is that here? Padma is there, right? Padma is there, right? Padma, now Padma is what, Padma is what, like she is what admin person, right? She is admin person, she can access what is that student page also, as well as what, no, employee page we can't give what access permission to what admin means Padma, right? So that is nothing but what authorization, guys. Okay, that is nothing but what authorization. So here in this configurer authentication manager builder, we will write what is that authentication logic, and what is that in the configurer HTTP security, right? We will write what is that authorization logic, right? Authorization logic. Okay, so now no, so now fine, guys. Okay, so now fine, let's move on. Okay, so now fine. So here what we will do now, what we will do now, so in the authentication and authorization, right? So this is what abstract class, guys. Okay, so this is already given by whom, already given by whom, Spring people, right? This is already given by whom, Spring people, right? Fine. So now, okay, so next what we will happen, what will happen now? So if we want to write our own logic, right? If we want to write our own logic, so we have need to write one class, right? We have need to write our own class. There we will write what is that authentication logic, right? There we will write the authentication. We will write override these two methods, and in these two methods we will write what authorization and authentication logic. So think about that. Just what we are going to do now, guys. What we are going to do now. So this is what our what is that our own package, right? So com dot what is that rk dot com dot what rk dot what com dot what rk dot what is that security, right? Security, inside that just I'm writing what app security, application security class. We are giving what, we are giving what application security class, and between these two classes, right? Between these two, Spring security configurer adapter plus what our own security right class, what we what relation we will implement extend, guys? What is that easy relation? We will implement what is that easy relation, right? Easy relation, easy relation. Okay, so this is the diagram of what, this is what, this total things is nothing but what, guys? JAS, right? This total things is nothing but what is that JAS. JAS, JAS, nothing but what is that Java authentication